In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Advanced Features. Then you need to scroll all the way down to hit Dual Messenger and click on gray switcher next to one of your apps you wish to clone. Hit Install and wait. You can also tap on Use Separate Contact List, tap on this switcher to switch it on, hit Select Contacts and divide them. So when I go back, as you can see, my WhatsApp was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!